I had no idea that vacuuming bugs would be so cathartic to me. Well, I'll go ahead and hunt a little more in the zucchini. Let's go ahead and take a look at the folks from 4 Acres Family Homestead. Dan moved the crew from Oklahoma up to the Pacific Northwest, but he didn't leave his gardening skills behind. Dan, that looks great. Please leave a comment down below and let everybody know just how much you appreciate them sharing what's going on in their garden. This is where we get ideas. This is where we get inspiration. And this is where I get the motivation to come out here day after day and show you just what's possible in a deep mulch garden.